This industry is always evolving. There's always things going on, and my God, do I have to say how wonderful our associates are, how resilient our associates are. They're always there on behalf of their clients, so I'm really, really proud of that.
Today was a lot of fun. I mean, it's always great to spend some time with the parents. Just happy to be here.
We have to thank this lady beside us, who really is not only the co-owner, but she's the strength of really the family, and I really appreciate all the hard work that she puts into Travel Only.
It looks so beautiful today too. So that's the highlight for sure. Is how gorgeous she looks.
You guys look handsome.
You know, it's 24/7, it seems, that we're always talking about travel, or we're talking about our partners.
Even when we're having social events, family events, it's about travel. You know, our conversation at our table is travel.
We're talking about, our associates. It's a wonderful feeling.
I have always found that if you build that relationship with your partners and with your associates, it's a win-win for all of us. I love this open concept that we've developed, like the foundation that we actually started, because we allow really the associates to be their own independent owners, and yet they know that behind them there's a wonderful foundation, wonderful network that we have established over 45 years.
As travel agents, we are dream makers. That's our job. That's our opportunity to be able to go out there and really provide that to our clients.
The key, I think, to us is that our associates, they've embraced us and we embrace them. They welcome us, we welcome them. Our head office team and also our executive team that's really support the associates are so vital to the successes that we have really embraced in this day and age of competition. Travel is really helping one another. Everyone wants that wonderful experience. Sometimes it's not about the destination, it's about people experience.